Pampute, I represent the pretty girl storm. Pretty girl storm of the whole place like she have the whole place like. Anyway she play, me say she a lot that. Mother mean.
We have for messages and so. Why me and you for break up as friend Islandkandy? You are gonna show my messages when me a chat post and then I go play my voice to them. I never that hide. I never did that hide. Because I sell sexy tatty. I never that hide. So look on social media. You can't trust nobody because the same people that are rubbing on the run back or turn friend with who know wishy-washy and flip-flop like wow. That's why I say comment screw forever. That's why I'm gonna stop watch the comments them are rubbing on because I don't know sense. Girl can cuss and bring on a family and a friends and bring on a picnic and show picture on generations and on go chat back to them. And then you hook a bit. I just slap up on your toe them. Sometimes more rub it, but I can't rub it and hook a bit. Come on, know if something glue, you lose a screw in your head or what. You can't have blood cleat England hungry like dog and I go send freaking $100 to Puss a Jamaica to buy oxtail for Christmas. So I'm tear girl. Hook a bit, when are you going? The woman don't like you.
If too much bagger on here, bye.
Puss is getting exactly what she deserves. I'm here to let truth post. If I need
hey, you're gone. Fucking bye. Just fucking block him. Right.
Yes, if on the day you style me meow. Yes, if on the day you style me cellulite body. Then a body pudding girl. I sit down 40 days and 40 nights. I'm a fast. I'm a wait. I'm a left till I see the whole social media and they come very early.
Yeah, me just block them. Too much bagger over here. Bye.
You block him.
Me block him long time. Right now,
dirty thinking froze them out. Post with the teeth them we had for blood clot join your head. Post. Nobody blood clot like you. Half of the people that were over there rub fear just show you have secrets for them and then afraid to come bring your gang and bring them down. I'll be a weak woman over your page. No strong independent queens no over your page. Plus I'll be a weak woman over there. All you know if you do a prayer upon the weekend up and then collect story upon each other. Look upon Breasty when it overpass the Breasty on a friend. And when the girl now do what you want her to do, you run go give her a picture to people. You're not a friend post. First, me always tell people to have a friend, you must first be a friend.
Well, no argument, no 100-point argument. Why man you calling to me if you're 100-point post?
So she say you says you have to talk to she. I tell her I don't want to hear nothing. So she said, because she want argument. But Oko say, she said £100 for oxtail. So she said,
when me send you £100 for oxtail, when you ask me for £100.
That's why I know a lie she tell. That's why I know a lie she tell. That's why I don't entertain it, because I know truth from lie. So that's why I know truth from lie, Tita. I know truth from lie. But Oko say, if I never Oko, you couldn't eat oxtail, I know say nothing. So that's his thing with me. I know truth from lie. So when you know truth from lie, you don't need to argue about it. The monkey, April look woman, she look at eye. But Uko's all of us said, Uko say because she know what she had in she had try. And that never know inbox at her, so she had try draw now because she want me cuss you. I tell her me not cuss you. So she could have called Uko say it that not nothing to do with me. She was say something else. Yeah, she say you send me $100. She said Oko told her she sent her $200. She said 100 now, she said 200.
I don't want nobody type up my name, I don't want nobody call my name. Because me and Puss don't want no blood clot conversation with no blood clot money. I don't want nobody call my name. Because put me and Puss now no argument with no blood clot money. I don't want a blood clot girl call my name. Because me and Puss don't want no conversation with no money argument.
See him, sir. See him,
so I don't want nobody type up my blood clot name. I call my name.
See him, sir, girl. No, see him, sir, Oko.
But fuck off, man. Don't call my name, blood. No, don't call my name on the blood clot, my blood. Don't call my name, blood. Don't put me on the back, bro.
That's right, girl. See him, sir, girl. I don't know, baby. I sing.
Puss lie about she a sing.
Me sing. I don't argue. Don't argue long from husband.
Puss me not do nothing,
Oh,
baby. I sing, me a sing.
Baby, me not argue. Me a sing. You know, you mess with a Christmas song, me did I sing.
Okay, me turn her down.
Alan.
Eh?
Alan.
You sound so low.
Alan. Me are not here.
Your phone a break up. Eh? Your phone a break up. Yeah, but it a chip out.
Boy, me tell you, say I be a shit them chat. Me not talk to people who chat shit, you know. Yeah. Oh God.
Who could say a lie? You tell Pada.
One more lie again. Boop, one more lie get again, mad woman. You see, dirty woman, how it go? Casey, Puss, when you're going back to England, I deport me get woman, you forgot? We never find the petition for me get deport.
Yeah.
La.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know I said Uko did over here and Uko have to say it because the one you have to address it. So I saw me steer. I have to pull people for go on the live, go defend themselves. Because you can't have Puss over there cause and the woman I say, you said money at Jamaica and Jamaica and you sit down in the comment section. Oh, Uko want you on the live. You come on any live and bust it up when already. So we need it in the mix too. All right. Moving along. There will be no sleep for Puss a weekend. Silent night, holy night. Yes. You're not get no sleep. You're going to sleep on the mattress there. Thinking night, Puss. Puss, you're going to stand for all the rest of the days of your life. Because enough people upon this life, you never know them.
Brush, may I read the comments?
And Puss, you sit down.
You say, and she going to come back over here, yeah?
You call
she going to come sit down.
You call the people them enemies. And bring down the people them I expect them a friend. One thing me say, I say Erica outstanding get the opportunity to lick down Puss for life and she never do it. I mean I know why. Because with a friend Puss and when me see Puss, me just met my friend. What's that for my community income? And my friend them kick him up like basketball. But
diarrhea connection bad.
I don't know what to do. Me I come off later.
Today. Oh God, I would that did there. With a boy did.
Yeah.
They can't hear. Let me tell you something. I'm not take up for Puss, you know. You understand? I'm not take up for none of them because Puss company IG and Puss put a lot of people in a problem. Because Puss put me in a problem with that one day. I'm not telling you the truth. It's not done. Because America we live in and the whole of we live in America. So we have to walk up and throw one another in America. So it could have cost me jail time. But you see the woman when you love slanders, remember say me never know her none at all, you know, when she and Tanya them and fret them and baby them have them problem. You don't know her, you know. More than one day, me their work, and me see this woman just dip on her life, and Dawn is a big woman. And when me take a look on her, I thought she was a big woman too. I never know she had that young age with that kind of a face. So when I heard about her now and here said she's in her 30s, I said, oh no, I'm not gonna argue with her. That woman go from me baby to my stepchildren them, to my husband, to my house. You understand? She got to my little bit of house. She got to my bathroom. This woman run around in my house like bed bug and all know me not see her. Because to me always have vegan, roach powder, and all kind of things to kill insect. Me never see her yet. So me now go take up for she will over Puss. You understand? And me now go take up for Puss neither over she. So when Puss a fling stone me a duck. You see that ugly woman there, that big old dirty woman there, when name what you name? When the blood clot the ugly woman name from Rona West. Now call my blood clot name. You hear me? I tell you, woman. Now call me name. How the ugly woman name again, the big old one, the oldest one per IG. Come if you know what the oldest one per IG. I'm show me, can't show me age paper. And she said she has 60 blood clot tree and can't show her age paper. What you gonna tell Puss about Sedan and Cossar for a big daughter ugly Joan Master? You see me a Coss the blood clot, Puss? You see me a Puss have problem, all blood clot, woman, your face wrinkle up like blood clot, big curtain. No bother with me, you know. Cause you say all the time you try for blood clot, come for me and send people for me. Me stay away from you. You saw me stay away from you. The era end, me no want it end with blood clot. Me uno from blood clot. Me want it end with money in my blood clot and as she go better go tell blood clot Puss both down a cost. When the blood clot, you hear me a cost Puss, but me care about blood clot Puss. Now I love blood clot slippers. Eh? Woman, move your blood clot, you know. Nobody make me press back my blood clot live, you know. Come and have me teeth them in my blood clot mouth and a paroxysm in my blood clot mouth, you know. Now I rock a blood clot board, you know. On a mouth coming like see that only the rock man with blood clot stink. On a don't bother with blood clot me. Because I give up and I go on it. The reason why I mention blood clot, no slander, blood clot name and I'm a blood clot mouth, you know. I told you come talk about check out give blood clot picture with blood clot breast to my blood clot boss like she hear me a fuck boss. Eh? What the blood clot do no go kill on a blood clot said. Tomorrow is Thursday, I'm try go buy the blood clot rope. That's Friday morning, we soon hang on a blood clot says. Yeah. Daughter woman, you're about blood clot, Pussy come for about me now. Don't talk the time they come alive. Because you know that woman, they always will have something to say. Because you just call me dad. But the next thing what you call talk about say, you call me lady. Of course, my husband have to call me lady because he's a lady in a blood clot. Yeah. Who is coming next? Yeah. The woman run up and down, I'm out. I'm in a noir. I know I'm in a noir. She cost my children, them. She cost my grandchildren, them. She cost all to my dead blood clot, brother. I'm in a noir. I'm never cost her yet. So I don't want to go fear. Come in if you know you like Puss for cost you. I don't want a book for cost you. I don't want a pencil for cost you. If me want to come for you, I just shut my blood clot. I have everything about me just come up for your blood clot. Down to the worm, them na your blood clot egg and lice, them na your blood clot eyelash. Yeah? Good night. Now get 5 minutes of fame when they talk about her. Yeah. Yeah, me done. Who coming next can come. But now get 5 minutes if you don't notice my count it to 4. Nah, get 5. So all when she come across me nah look on her. Come and nah give her 5 minutes of fame. And if I rub her, my uncle can rub her for 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and 1 minute. Come and nah give her 5 minutes of fame. So it don't make any sense, my curse her. Yes, my love. Talk to me nice. Who next? And Maria, you get bad for the internet, my love. You get bad, you get bad, you get bad now, blood clot. Pick up yourself, Drew. Drew, where want candy for call you for now? And Maria, stop cuss for the internet, you know. And Maria get at me now, tell her you think, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Can you want me come take it over here? To my mouth is with the sound name down at Jamaica with the big sound name. Down at Jamaica, but nah take it over tonight. I like how Sharon Puss. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I like how Puss I run up in her back. I love it, love it. But right now, love Saunders, we're going to give her 10 and give Puss 7. How much you give her, Candy?
Make it Puss.
I'm a narco. Come here, here, fame. I'm not here. I have 6,000 odd people. I'm not here one.
blood clot. I'm tell you, say, even me get blood clot deport. I read a cocky blood clot deport me.
Drew, you want to come bust it?
Last 17 plus I got 18. And I have
A stone love down attack.
No, you have a son killer. The son of bad at Jamaica coming because that soul of it named Kilimanjaro. Eat me swallow. Me swallow Kilimanjaro. All right, Annie, me I go come off. Make somebody else come. No, me not cuss her. I swear I not cuss her. I swear I not cuss Love Saunders. So Love Saunders just cut me loose. Cut me loose. Can you run up and down my house and all? No, me don't know yet. You run from my husband, you lie down on the bed with him. You go in my kids' room. You understand, you find my grandchildren, them. You find my stepdaughter, them. You find everybody. I'll find some man who me did fuck. I don't remember with their name. So here what happened. Nobody run up on me because I nah give you 4 and 5 minutes of fame. So therefore, we can't because you like to go 10 furlong like Annie with the arsenic. Annie, are you on the arsenic? I give them for the IG. I'm gonna drink arsenic. You understand? Annie with the arsenic.
Let Pup be free. Pup kill me really now. Got blood clot.
What you know, the woman a poop up and hey, who the can't manage that blood clot woman there? The woman
Somebody a poop.
Who's fast and say make part me free? Cause I kill me really. Who the can't manage put some blood clot? Block like clappers here, Puss. Make fart me free. Cause I kill me really.
He's so nasty.
Puss, everyone knows say you are Mary granddaughter. So you're making me free. Cause I kill your granny Mary Lee. Look.
She wicked. Don't wet. It's no
Puss
Jackie
somebody read. We don't want you to read. Puss, that's the way you do. Luscious.
Yeah, she probably was in bathroom for real, Luscious.
Puss fart. Yeah, Puss. Brap. Let's fart be free. Cause it kill barely.
Yeah, look, El from every minute. Who said this? Who was say? You want me to
are you getting the answer for the blood clot idea? Hey, Puss don't drink a cup of next blood clot milk. Come merely did a blood
and
clot.
that money just tell her that comment.
Puss, well, the monkey come I'm here love me. The nice skin I'm here love me. Remember, Puss, when the monkey come on here showing Puss cussing you, she always been a eater. Yes, I'm here. All right.
Boy, I'm not telling a lie, Puss. You look like you really know what yeah.
Puss, man, that girl hey, just me fly.
Puss a cuss on her body will a cuss for her. Prop. Hey, when Puss a cuss you 2 ways, or Puss a cuss through her body hole, and she a cuss through her mouth. Hey, I know you know me know for December Sagittarius people. All spice of Sagittarius dog. All spice of Sagittarius. Puss body hole a cuss and Puss boat a cuss. Make me go line up to you can have work tomorrow. Whoa! Who coming next? Hey, no, tomorrow Thursday. Candy, tomorrow Thursday. Tomorrow Thursday, we're going to get a review of what happened all through the year. So each of one of us who curse Puss and Puss curse them. Anyway, you want to do the video, anyway, you want to do the live, or Candy do it. Everybody come on and give them a review about what happened. Love Saunders take me out of it. But Christy will go and call me, I forget the winning. So I have to play the music for you tomorrow if you win. When you tell me who wins, so I come from work, I can join it, right? Hey, who not think hey, who not keep Puss 10 a while ago for that prop the way I come out our battle hole. I should say make it be free because it kill barely. Put up a fight her own back her.
Because Christmas I come and we have a baby.
Oh, chin the panny life,
She's a
though.
cloud chaser.
Oh,
And that means you have killed I'm putting it on the phone and you said, no, I'm going to rub down that monkey dinky. I said, Chin, please.
Listen, I'm going to rub down planet of the ear. That because it's so like you're begging the woman to the cuff. It's so like you're begging the woman to the cuff. Anyway, it's so like to you.
I'm a two big blood clot coconut bowl me and say, I'm begging. I'm because of you in a
it's when just call everybody and I say, don't me tell her not to cuss her. It's so like you're begging because the woman not begging her, the woman not deal with her without mercy. So it doesn't matter who you did tell, say never did for cuss her and tell no for cuss her because the woman not
here about that. Bust it up on her. Just like that.
Yeah, all of them mercy they will actually post. It not stop the woman from tear you down. So all you have to forget about them people that will go for post and tear down the woman if you are tear down the woman. Love Saunders, we like to talk, you know. Let me have my little bit of bathroom. Little bit of bathroom and I'm not jacuzzi. In my attic, yeah. We at that. So before I'm an attic. But you understand all Puss are bad. It's Puss. Let me tell you, as we say, we not take anybody's side, we not take your side, but Puss right now, Puss, you're pricky. Now Puss is begging it out now. Everybody come on. Nobody tell him not to cuss her. Nobody tell him not to cuss her. Put back the iron your blood clot and deal up with the woman if you deal up with the woman. I'm listening to you, Candy, but why you're not fooling it? Right.
She keep calling Ukuni. She have to go rub for your phone.
People come wrong with her.
Yeah, look, remember, you know, when we finish with blood clots, you red boot them, I go string you one to the left, one to the left, I blood clot 2 years then. And your ass blood clot 8 months. When you red boot them with you.
Yo, the woman ugly, ugly, tugly. She ugly person.
Me not ask Satan, no, me know red boot, it's sweet, me know red boot, them I go break down her blood clot. Oh man, go over there, the red boot, them I go, hey, Mr. Red Boot, them I go, remember, no, remember this argument when you come on for red boot, them because them have your monkey face, you know, and her ears, them have blood clot, eat your ugly blood clot, but that be your face, you know.
And that's what they were over the
ugly blood clots,
but she come talk about under your daughter, and then I say me, but afterwards she jump out and say me. See like what she do, Kato. Nasty woman, you were our slave. We send the things in your inbox and we tell you say you must go to exhibit it and we have the remote and when we press it and you start all Jaja, yeah man, tell you sound stupid, we laugh at you. You want to say until you go there and fling it out, you know see nothing Puss on it. God bless you, the team Puss on the comment them little bit. Move your blood clots.
Hold on, Dan.
Move and go back cabbage. Next, yo, right the sun.
Right, get the she ugly planet.
Good evening, everyone.
Ugly blood clot shock.
Chin, you never know, so when she sold the school, because the people them are trouble, the people.
Drew!
Yeah, what's up?
I say,
are we at the drive?
Yeah.
She run down at the school and the school teacher said, what if the kids ain't calling you?
Yeah, go on.
They're not lying. We can't do nothing. We're children and if they look like a monkey, there is a monkey. They walk like a monkey. You know, so she sued the blood clad school and the day of the court me ear. Beat a man and give him right. So when the judge look on the paper,
if people them say better bust it before them bust your head.
But, oh me, all right. So yeah, so the light did festive. I said, I never seen nothing like it before in my life. 48 hours. And Puss get nothing but bring down. And I'm going to say Dawn is the queen of rubbing. Hey, we got to do some money. Yeah, man, we got to do some money pull up for Dawn. She earned it tonight.
Yeah, money pull up for Dawn.
Yeah, money pull up.
You hear that, Dawn? Are you Drew say?
Yeah, Dawn and Diary. They said, yo, 24 hours. Not 24 hours, 48 hours of it.
Yeah, Diary. Money pull up. The no Drew at 3 tonight. Woo!
Yeah. Yeah, so what's up with you? Everything all right? You feeling better? Better?
Yeah, I feel a lot better.
Okay, good. Well, tomorrow I'll hook you guys up. I'll hook you guys up tomorrow.
All the Osa get a thing. Oh, shut up, Diary. Oh, Mr. Oh, sorry. Chew me in my kitchen, guys.
Mix up, she want look. We not here. Monkey woman, we not here. Monkey donkey, we not here. Planet of the ape, we not here. Everybody.
Eh?
And I like push my first like when ape on get to the up so me can't hear. When push on, me not know. Me just me not interested. Cause push can't cause. I same thing I hear over and over.
Okay, Annie and Dan, me soon, I don't know.
I just say thank you, Drew, because finally me can buy a bed and come up for the sofa.
Puss week.
There's more. Somebody on the sofa. Somebody I said thank you. I appreciate the look away I send tomorrow. But can't go use $50 to cut the seed. All right, gone.
And me I do it short so you can come on back. Can you hear me? Annie.
That way down there. Dan, may I wait for you?
Yeah, Annie, me I do it short so you can come on back. I don't know why Puss is calling Tanya name. Because Tanya not going to curse love slanders, neither do I. Puss, you have to defend yourself. You know why you have to defend yourself, Puss? If from day one when the woman come out, everybody can say, yes, me did say it. From day one when that woman come out, I said, I'm not giving her some nice eyeglasses, yeah? Nice eyeglasses, Dulce Gabbana. Yep. From day one, when that woman come out, I tell everybody, said, I am not going to argue with her. No, I'm not going to argue with her because I'm afraid of her. So now that the woman come now, Post, I rub you out. You can't expect, say, we are going to help you now to rub. Oh, no. You have to do that by yourself, Post. Because, Post, you say your name by the great house. You say you're the great blood clot top cat rubber. So all you have to make look at low standards. What come on for a parade show. Our show we should have boiled. We should blame oats for your boil already. Oats blame already. Oats boil already shall blame. Oh, if you make she come do you. So there's no way we're going to help your Post. Post are one thing with we, you know. Let me tell you something, Post. We are going way back in the days of election day. Labor right and PMP were like dog and blood clot Post. But when it comes to the time, when after the election day, which is after we are you there, you understand Labor right and PMP don't love standards because say you go with something. I see for say you go with blood clot something and bring down love standards Post. We're gonna give you back your blood clot trophy right you know me have it and nah you. Uncle Dog have your trophy and me whole and pan it tight now blood clot. I'm not get it Post. Post we not care for who you go far. You not get it back. Right now, it look like they forgive lost standards your trophy Post. We have your 24 hours to go back for your wicked and dangerous blood clot. Because you know, so she come back for you tomorrow. Because she said, husband, just talk to her and she said, husband is at home and she can't come out right now. So tomorrow she coming back for you. Yep. Post, we just talk to no standards a while ago. Yep. She said, listen to this, Uncle Dog, because you is a dog. I said, yes, big dog. She said, tomorrow I come for Post wicked and greatly. So guess what happened? Give me the trophy. So here what happened. We're going to get diary for all and pan. Diary, who you give to? No, I can't live with the pan. Candy, who you give the trophy? Come here, go let it go. You know, me let it go.
Love standard. Love standard.
You really give it to all the way to Canada?
Yes, yes. It has stay in Canada. It has stay in my country this time.
Right.
England. England no make it.
Problem already. All who have voted right now say I love slanders win. Come, put it up. Who says slanders? Put that right in that one, yeah. All who win? Post look what going, you know.
Canada win the trophy.
What is it? Canada or UK? Canada or UK, Candy? I want somebody to say. Oh, Candy, you not get the trophy yet. I want somebody, Mrs. Say. Mrs. Says, what to say? Why? What the UK them there? Why? 10 out of 100. Why? No, sir. Post this to look good at all. No,
Canada gets the trophy.
No, sir. No, sir. Lord have mercy. Post this to look good at all. Post this to look good at all. Post we can't bring them and them bring with them.
All the England people like the Canada the trophy. You must lose.
Blood clot. Post really make me forgive it to Canada. Post come up back. Come up back. Wait, they no UK now come up yet. Post, where there? Post, Ray. Come like come here alone. Stand up and say Post. No, sir. This don't look good at all, Post. No, sir. A fight to that fight gets blood clad, Post are a truth to not attack. Can't you be the day I want me to say what I say, you know? Yes. No reason and not tell a lie. Anne-Marie, me can't swear for you. You're not tell a lie. We are Sagittarius. We not tell lie. Godfather, what you say? Godfather Joe, who you say? Who you get it to for Godfather Joe? No, sir. This don't look good at all, Post. Post, me gonna send the book come here. Me not care what the was say. Me I send the book over Post tonight. Post, me I send you the book. Look for it coming at the mail.
Okay, Jenna, me add you next.
Overnight delivery to come to Post the book from Dan. It named 2020. Post, don't look over the side where say 2021, you know. Cause on my side that. Jenna want come talk. Jesus Christ, Jenna. Uno Ricky, don't stop. I don't want to see one more Uno put up Saunders. I believe. I don't want to see nobody else put up a Saunders. Let's a guy mash up my phone and Drew off the bike back. Anne-Marie, I got watch your Anne-Marie. I got mash up my phone and Drew off the bike back when him call me on it.
Blood clot Puss, this don't look good at all, Puss. Oh Lord, Puss. Puss, it don't look good at all. Them just like Saunders win is. I 8 to the 8, Puss, or Saunders really win.
No, we get the two of them. Fair is fair. Saunders a win. She mash up Push. She fire peer shot. We say we get flat all day.
Boy, them say it nice, bad Puss, but them say a Saunders a win. Puss, you say you're going to get her 40 days and 40 nights. So my crusade go starting us from tonight.
Big old
Who she a cuss now? She not say no that a go on. Puss just say no that a go on. Puss just say no red boot and no blood clot. Uncle Dog, she and Saunders a go on.
Who put them a cuss?
See what?
I don't know.
I have no time for them.
I know my business.
Watching out somebody I call one name when name Weng Weng with the blood clot this. Are we side Weng Weng they pan now, Tanya?
You see Weng Weng everywhere.
One girl here Weng Weng pan it you know?
Yeah, them they everywhere. Then go by everybody live.
Away, yeah, say new people. Anne-Marie, you're bad no blood clot, you know, cause anytime them walk cuss me, you know, Anne-Marie, they for come for you, you know. I for come for you, Anne-Marie.
Them. I met the man, them put them balls in the blood clot nose. Balls nose, blood clot, Jackie.
Kiss my fucking teeth.
Can't read 2 comments.
That me there, though. Wait, them forgot to Jenna want come on, Jenna, come on. But glad to tomorrow what the 31st we done tonight. Love Saunders, come up, cause Love Saunders I come back with run to tomorrow. She said share about everybody one page. All right, Anne-Marie, me are going to comment now.
Hey, I wait Jenna there. Okay.
Candy.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Uncle Drew said to do this number generator. I don't know who it's for. So let me
Right now?
Yes, right now.
With all these people?
Mm-hmm.
Is he sure?
Uncle Drew?
Are you sure? Did you go to the racetrack today? You sure? You see how much people on the live?
Well, okay.
Him say yes to Bomber Class. You win a thing today.
Here it is. Okay, guys. So between 1 and 100, right? And the number generator says 86. Love you too, Uncle Andy. Wait, why is everybody choosing numbers?
I will push now. Pause.
Berry, no, darling, that's not how it works. Look at these cheaters. Uncle Drew, what's going on?
Watch Jackie over Team Puss, I rub them.
I can't stand Diary. Okay, everyone get 86. Oh, okay. So everybody whose name he called gets $86. So I think that's Storm. That's the money put. Okay, Auntie Brush. Okay.
Oh, that's for us. Oh, thanks, Drew.
I just want to point out that the generator is not free, so everybody
Oh, it was
getting
for
paid.
us.
I'll be
Who he
taking
said he was gonna
commission.
give money.
Yep.
Okay, I get it now. Okay.
Yes, Jenna, that's it. Okay, guys, back in the comments. Bye.
Thank you, Drew. Yeah, girl, we are get money. Who next? Who next? Don, Tanya, Storm, Candy, and Diary. What ya?
Over this song. You like that?
Blood clot, me have to go plug in my laptop.
Carla,
My laptop
I
is
have
5%, 5 minutes, 1% for my laptop. Hold on.
I have to come in quick because you know some people they find the page where me no want they see me, but yeah, that is thinking can the appreciate more. Mr. 86 after Mary. Can the leg on me shot. Renee just one up on me shot. Can you want to little money? Leg on me shot.
No, sir. You got to tell her if it come off. Yep, gonna work. I'm gonna call him Yep right now. I don't want him block me. I want him come watch.
Yeah, girl.
What's it up?
You want to show me?
What's it up?
Love trouble, you know? Hold on. I got trouble long. Hold on.
Oh, Jackie over here?
Look how long me at left for blood clot bad. Dirty bitches, you don't know nothing about me. Una life unhappy in the blood clot. Una hungry.
Blood clot, Jackie and rub over there.
So guess what? Bye. No time for no. First of all, when you all make nice like clappers.
Blood clot, weng over there, Rob.
I just quickly, Tanya, turn down she a bit,
Nothing about you, that. That's why you are about me.
Yeah, just quickly, guys. As you know, a few top name call up for the money, and it's 86, yeah. But you don't know me a top girl over here too, but my name not for call, cause I'm a nice, clean brother. Yeah.
Why, yeah, right. Give me something. Why, yeah, say, yeah, give me something funny.
Well, I not candy, don't rush the thing, man. I'm a nice, clean brother. Just a message for someone, you know. Yeah, don't go up in an inbox, go beg, because know him don't like when they come in an inbox, him will come and give it out on air when he feel like tonight festive. Say, I give it tonight. Run it, Candy. Run the dirty people, them career. Enjoy the show. Big up on yourself.
Okay, I can't put it. Turn up.
Bright light. Bright light service.
Hold on.
Me sound like a crackhead. Me sound like a crackhead. What me a scream for the fun? What me a scream for the fun?
I try zoom it up.
Who not nobody? No, my love. I'm not argue with a roach, cat, and bats. Nobody. I'm happy over here in the blood club. I'm supposed to make young boy fuck me. I don't want an old man fuck me. Young boy can fuck me. I'm all good, great, excellent, brilliant, next to God. Yeah, man. Seems like you want some fuck too.
I can't
You
read
want
the
a young
comments
boy?
now. When I fuck me not like that. I want to see comments. I forgot to try to set this different.
Do you want a young boy?
Wait, people.
See, baby, you can have one. You can have one, Mama Tree. I said you could have a young boy. You want him for fucking your old tree to pie honey bun.
Kadena, cause
Una
Love
an happy
Saunders no
little
waste
girl.
time.
I'm happy
Love
over here,
Saunders
my
not even
love.
take a breath.
I
She
have no
just
time
bust.
for Uno. Just get my brand new car out here. Happy, say extra happy. Leave from the X6 to the brand new Audi. Mama. Saxon. You got one officer. Not nice. Yeah, I'm not yet. Not nice. Not nice. I'm a friend.
Jackie Saunders.
Not nice. I'm a friend. Bobby. I'm not sad like blood clad. Dopey story. Whoa, I'm happy over here. Because when you're about to finish. And happy bitches. And happy bitches, Abby. Not tonight. The next night.
Yeah, these bitches are lame.
Not tonight. Jackie from Florida. If everyone come from Spain. I'm supposed to want smoke is my weed and he buy it. 3.5 all kind of price. 30, 50, and 60. Depends how you want it, baby. You want the low grade or the higher one? I will take the higher one because I want to get high. You sound dumb. I like when I talk about me, I clap and come at me. I feel so good. Girl feels good to stay right, yes, so she. Alright, as a she now. I roll my next blunt. I think what my next move tomorrow, I'm going to do my ear. And then go up on the road, I got 2 little pieces. But I pay she no man, I'm breaking news. Breaking news, I know who them. I know them breaking news and can't trick me. They can't kill me and trick me. They can't trick me. I know them breaking news.
I don't know nobody.
And I know that. So, guess what? Something about you, sweetie. You are so lovely. And nobody know who are you with the fake page. Where? Stupid ass. I said 8 of them. I know everything. I know the page. Jackie from Florida. 8 of them, man. This is better than I can't hurt that girl like a little man. Black the bitch. She's a bitch. She forgot. Me know breaking news. That's not for her. Breaking news. Me there say wow. Mama, me done succeed. Why you done succeed?
Why Erica not come on her real page? And come
Puss
out
black
a
the
breaking
bitch.
news.
Puss. Everybody say black.
Who's
Black.
tired?
Well, the one on name Jackie from Florida, black car. I don't even know name Jackie from Florida. I just see she pop up yesterday. And of course, me know that page. I know that page at the enemy. They want to hear black the bitch, my bitch, tomorrow, black car. So don't forget black for 2 breaking news. Make sure go on about our business. Black the bitch.
And she gone now. She come with a different page.
But now look for she I'm happy. I like lonely. What girl?
She gone now. She will come with a different page, watch.
Dirty Jackie, but now look for that Jackie. Jackie forgot this. Hey, some girl don't feel important now, but you know.
Brittany says she come from Florida and she don't know a Jackie.
Girl, you have the time for your type of your answer for me. Thank you, baby. You're nice. Breaking news, them girl are idiot. Me, now look on them. Them girls must be nice life. Them girls, right? I would me now.
Mr. Jack asleep on them over there.
Come with them announces too.
Me now look on the garbage truck there.
Can't stand chin.
I don't store them right.
For real, that 19, when I look for her, she idiot. I'm going to tell you something about me. People me don't know, not worry me, because I don't know she, so she can't come at me.
Obviously, she'll worry you. You're like, Puss, block it, Puss, block it. I don't block people. I'm going to block that one smarty about baga. Like, bye. Fuck them I do over here.
And this and that.
Me not look for them because they want them life unhappy. Them life come like that.
That's why she a fall asleep.
Like Abe stories, a Abe story.
Me not look for them. Me I look for them. I drink some nice patron well comfortable. Pay me insurance today. $644. Dirty Jackie, where you pay? You're supposed to pay a cocky partner. Are you alone the only girl?
Yeah, that's why we are watch baga.
The cock in your mouth and the two balls in your nose. Bye, baby. I have no time for you. Yeah, nobody.
They want black coffee people. Them people them can't have no opinion. That's why I have to press live so people can watch.
Time for them. Me there start to enjoy it. For real. Am I crossing? She come back now with a new face, Gaza girl, 2020 Chinio.
Yes, the dirty Puss, yeah.
Yeah, nasty pussy girl. Black her again, Puss. Black them, Puss. Not pay them. Just black her, Puss. We not argue with you. Black her.
Yeah,
Gaza Puss.
We are watch her from one day, man.
Black her. My baby, we don't have time to come with your real page, oh. He's a dirty girl. Go ahead. No, man, them girl. Your pussy dirty.
Okay, Don.
Do something, chin. She come with a new piano, me. She said, dirty thing on me. She said, dirty foot. I change. She said, dirty post.
No, she said, dirty chin. Stop fucking lie. Don't bad. She said, dirty chin.
Bye, bitch. Buy one more page that will come with that. I will not long to just have to eat me. And we are eat a long time.
So them girls really have time, you know. I don't know how them
come back and she get the eye just to come and upset her, you know.
Right, Tanya.
You know, bitch. You hide you. Let me just all up fresh. I'm gonna get with me nice, you know. How you mean?
Make them work to watch the live. Nope, nobody has to work hard at all. Brittany needs to come take a peek over here because she did their follow me page.
Yeah, Jackie at work come like a garbage bin. Bye, where? I have no time for that.
It's a Christmas Eve, the girl bring her putting them out on the teeth. I said, oh my God, like take a break.
Yeah, Carlo.
Yeah, Carlo. Yeah, Mom, thank you so much for that, woman. I look for them, them are wicked. Come in and know who she, nobody not talk about she.
Yeah.
I know who the page, the original.
You don't know the page.
That is one check the one with the her dog.
I think I Red Boot
She
in
want
the
more
fake
than that.
page. Them know what them I
She
say I
want some
read
acid in her
Italian.
oil. And some parasite and some weight name. Some yes. Yeah. I think I heard like Colleen or whatever you want. Let me tell you something. Them girls can't talk to me. Them girls walk up. Yeah. Good girl, Mr. All time I start up my car much when I
Me know brush every fake page at Tanya.
What's about what is? She can you please? Not right now, I'm looking up on the lens. Me now look on she idiot. All she come on my thought. Them can't hurt me. Me not have no worries in my life. Better than them. Better than them. Yeah, believe my parents to God. My problem. Let me get up on. I go see it. Some of that uncomfortable.
Jackie mouth bad, that's why them have to block Jackie.
Come out the morning, go clean down and wipe down and then the chips. A modern time.
Sometimes the comment disappears, so they have to time.
Right now. So she have time, so she's still not slavery. She's a chips here. I want bag of chips to 1 pound or 2 pounds. She want me. So they peanut potato
And a brush God, a page God.
When I look on them across that you have the time to get up come type up so much things about me. Might as well go drink some blood clot, lick and go smoke and go fucking sleep.
The way Puss here, Tanya, it would have looked like Tanya did that take her one, her brother. But you know, you understand me? Because all love slanders cuss her. She look crowd for cuss love slanders and nobody now help her. You know, she said the people them not talk about what she want to talk about. You understand me? So basically, yeah, all she want to talk about is Tanya. You understand me? She go like Tanya did there with her brother. Yeah, oh, she hate the girl, so. She hate the girl too bad, man. Pussy go, man. She can't fart. You know why she fought so much? Because she don't have no teeth for belch. You understand me? So that's why she send out so much ear to her blood clot bottom because she don't have teeth for belch in her dirty mouth. You understand me? This ugly blood clot woman. She for come off of the girl now and make the girl blood clot prosper with her 2.5 year visa. You understand me? And I talk about indefinite blood clot net. No net, I would say basket net. Because she don't have no net at all. No indefinite, no net on she. Them not give ugly people blood clot indefinite. The woman too ugly, immigration afraid her, so them stay for her and throw the 3 year upon the dirty woman. You understand me? She need to come off a blood clot, Tanya. She walk a look crowd for cost love slanders and nobody now back her up. Cause she want have dog and can blood clot feed them. You know, she say a fear dog them did I feed them. Feed her. A fear dog did I feed her, you know. And that's why the dog them a run out now and a run away and start bite up this ugly blood clot woman. You understand me? She need for go blood clot seek something. She need some ton. She eat the ton meal instead of she give the dog them. You know, she said that happen. She cook the mackerel and the ton meal and she blood clot eat it for herself. She never did a feed the blood clot dog them. So the dog them run out pan her now and a bite her up. Cause a station bite her up, you know. Cause Love Slanders is a big dog, you know. We bite up the dirty woman bad. You know, she said Puss body look like her when she go do surgery. The doctor did afraid her, so him send the body parts in our envelope come blood clot there. And she never know which part of the body for put on. And she put it down upside down. You know, she said the woman look like when top turn up. You understand me? You know, when you turn barrel upside down, I saw the woman blood clot look. She need for leave Tanya alone now and go thief Jesus slippers and cut it up and throw it on the car. Cause Slanders,
find blood clot life yesterday and dash it out pan her. Boom, 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 boom. You know, the way Love Saunders go fair. Remember when them send the soldier them down Iran? I saw Love Saunders go down there on the blood clot, dirty woman and draw out like how them draw out Saddam Hussein and chew her underneath one blood clot, bust her, roll it over. Then she use one crane and drive over her. You know how much time the woman kill her? That a torture, the woman torture her, you know. That a proper execution, me nah lie. You understand me? Dirty woman come off a blood clot, Tanya, because at the end of the day, all way you do, you go find out say you don't have no money, you don't have no teeth, you don't have nothing, and you're not going to get better looking. So the boy find out the truth about you, and you don't have no blood clot indefinite. You only have a basket net. Go and move your blood clot anywhere. Can the late night show bad? Big it up. Love you like wow. We love you like wow. Keep the report going. You're coming like blood clot place, Morgan, right now. You are do. You know. Good night, people. You're so nice. Keep coming. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, Puss gone, people. I'm not sure. You know, Love Saunders are come early in the morning tomorrow because she claims that she gonna work. She started back, okay, rascal, to the no easy, you know?
You believe it in that blood clot, you know that that's smart.
Candy.
Eh?
You saw my blood clot name, love call. You saw me over, yes, so with the over our life, you know, over Puss on the fake page. You see that Jackie page there? That Jackie page there over Love Saunders page, I rub Love Saunders when the war just start. And then the page go over Puss Pichibu. Puss know who on the page, you know? Puss know who on it. Cause Puss a tell Michibu say, don't watch the page. And she never block the page. She don't block the page. I'm telling you, the page rub out blood clot, Michibu. The page all I say, add me Puss, add me. She rub out Michibu. So you see Puss a go and say she don't know us. These are the things what Puss do. Puss set up we woman against one another. And then them a say, Tanya, no, it's night. You need to stop it. I know she'll say, I'm me over there. I'm me. And the page I rub. Puss know who under the page. The page was rubbing Mitchie Boom. I go post it because I screenshot the page. I know she'll say, I'm me. I'm me under the page and the idiot girl Chin she. Chin you can't bust no liberty pan blood clot me. Chin my life happy. My life is happy. The baby wants me up. She not garbage. Come here. Put her up. She's trying for the poo. Me know what check her over. She wants to brush her hair. No, you're not brushing no ear. Stop being naughty. Yeah. Them up because me up. Never lock out the light when me done. Yeah. And that me come for say because them love call me name Puss. Ansa Love Saunders and stop call me in your war. And you and Erica bring Love Saunders pan IG for come cuss me and fret them. So No Love Saunders I fix you. Ya come talk about when Red Bull. Me nah cuss Love Saunders. 2021 now catch me and argue with Uno IG germs. Fight your buckle for your own puss. Me nah fight no buckle for you. You're bright. Where Erica there? Where you right and Erica there? Me not see Erica run out. So when you gonna say about Red Bull, I go beat and teach you. Don't blood clot call me name. I'm not gonna blood clot cause Love Saunders for you. Fuck out of here. Cuss her for your fucking self. You fucking bring that woman on IG to tear down me and my kids. Kara, go and talk to them for me, please. You bring them. Come here. Come here. Bedtime. 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 I don't want bedtime. Come here. You come here. Bedtime. I'm not playing with you. Yeah. Yeah, she bring her to come. You see me there on the line, but you're in there and make me nice with them. If she started it, I know. Yeah, we have to come out for the live, yeah, me, I don't know. Yes, she bring her to come down me. No Love Saunders I cuss you. You are going to turn around and go say, when Red Bull hear about this, me nah cuss the blood clot, woman. Me nah cuss none of you. Puss, stop call me name. Don't make 2021 yeah call me name. Stop type me name. Stop call me name. Figure out about me no like your bumbo clot. Me hate you. Me no like you. Me no pussy clot like you. Me will never talk back to you. Stop calling me fucking name, idiot girl. Go war for your own self and say nobody now help you. Nobody now join your blood clot swine. Go ahead. Big blood clot hog. Big black dirty hog. Go ahead. Stop calling me blood clot name now. Lift up off of my name. Dirty woman. Dirty thinking old girl. From morning you're there on live, you know, brush your blood clot mouth. You know what you need. You poop on a stop yourself. One blood clot place. Your constitution broke down from a tender age. Not even the win. Not even look up poop your car all. As you turn, so poop and shit and fly out and piss and fly out of your hole. Allow me. Let me lose 2021 Puss. Because I tell you something say. The more you call me name, and the more me gonna fuck you up in the system. Leave me the fuck alone. I'm not fucking around with you. Me no depend Puss live. Pan no blood clot fake page. The page your name Jackie. Puss know who under the fucking page. She knows. Right? Go send for Erica. Erica make most of the mischief on IG. Go for Erica. Make Erica come cuss Love Saunders. Ya get Uku involved. Ya get this. Uku, you know Uku with your big bumbleclot dog hole. Your big peanut brain. Me not like Love Saunders, but Love Saunders never said that. Love Saunders never say what Puss say. Puss just a draw people in an argument. That's how she stay. That's how she stay. I never said that about chin. No, she draw Uku in there because she look back at it. Puss. Fight your fucking battle on your own. Come out and run Love Saunders wickedly.
She did and Love tell chin lie. But Love Saunders said this and Love Saunders said that.
Me hear the dirty woman. Me hear the dirty woman I tell chin lie. And it grieved me because chin do over man for a fucking own. Right away them right up say and me. She want what she want this. But chin don't come for blood clot me no chin. Chin low me no. Low me. Me over yasso. Everybody she say I yasso me over. Me no over there in a fake page. Soon as them go over there and write up at Red Boat, you're ready. Who them get a lifestyle? Me have 6 blood clot in my life care sad. And me have a man who wants me and blood clot needs me for 15 years. Me not have to walk with my pussy for my forehead and me not have to buy my little wife for fuck me. You understand? Hey! Me I come off for the life because the baby she go away too. Me know she spoil. I spoil she spoil because she know where you take with the buckle. for my. She's very spoiled because everybody spoil her. Yeah. You understand? Be quiet. Be naughty. I'm not laughing with you, Kalia. Watch. I'm going to watch me, man. I know she's rude. Yeah. She ready enough come cuss me. Because them are type of a tell her. She not have a mind for what she not say. But you know, some of think Tanya they behind that page. No. She ready. Kalia, could you be quiet, please, baby girl? Why are you doing this? I know you don't want me on the live. That's why you're doing all this. She'll laugh, you know. Yo, wanna leave me near, man. 2021, come off of my post. Me not like you. Me nah, don't come talk about me. I go join. Me I go cuss Love Saunders. Me nah cuss Love Saunders. Listen, Puss, are you me a laugh for? Not Love Saunders. Love Saunders a beat and teach your big ugly bumble wall. And it's sweet me no pussy clap. Me get me victory. Me get me hey, beat and teach our Love Saunders. Rip down our blood clot pussy wall. A weak wall. A weak consecution with the woman just lay down one place and piss and shit everywhere and poop. When she poop a while ago, the whole her jaw scratches the arm, shit full it up. Cause she not no, she not have no consecution. It weak. Stop calling me name. Love me. Me not involved in this. Remember, Unu go for Love Saunders to rub me. When you the woman say, a long time she'll wait for rub out your blood clot Puss. Long time. Don't call me name. Love me out, man. Stop mix up my name. Full time now. If you come off from my blood clot, me not like you. I when me not involved in a something, yeah, put me in a it. Me just in the comment section and enjoy the beat and teach where you have blood clot get. And you have more beat and teach. You know, say your team Puss mash up. You know, say you don't have nobody for blood clot help you fight Love Saunders. Who in the comment section can blood clot stay? You don't have nobody for join your life. That's why you run go for chin and you try it with Uku. And then you try. Where we Britney there, we Keiko there. I don't see Keiko for morning. Where Erica there? Yeah. To the woman killer. She want to turn it around now and come off of the woman and go back for me. Fight your blood clot back and love me, man. Love me and go, man. Because be the thinking wall, man, and go, man. You know, big and blood clot, look, stink. Eh? Low off for me now, man, a full time now. Stop calling me name. Me no blood clot see you. Me not involved. In a year, Love Saunders shake the whole on was friend. You claim, say you give Love Saunders information about me. You never know, you don't know nothing about me Puss. Nothing in a blood clot. Be a fiction, you come talk. Love me. Everybody run gone. Everybody run gone. She not have nobody for fight. Most of the people them over there on look. About 5 people in the comment section a type. The rest of people them just is for watch.
Just watch. Yep.
Just watching. Bitch, you don't have no tea. Move your blood clots. You set up female upon them one another. Me don't know why them can't see through you what you do. You do diary. You do brassy. You do me. When me introduce you to my brother. You set up me blood clot, brother. Pa me and my mother for no. Cause you don't have no love. You don't have no heart. Nobody not like your ugly stinking blood clot, girl. Yeah, and the worst thing me gonna do, me not do every day. Me regret it at my life, I say. That fucking day when me give you go your number are the worst thing. You set up, cause your sister is a close family. And your sister me not come to you and say, Puss, my mother this, my sister that. Me not discuss my family with you. And it hurts you because your whole generation them hate you. Not even your old people them no blood clot like you. And you come, and you dig, and you root, and you stir. That's all you still. Them can't realize say you's a big blood clot, Lucifer. You want demon. Yeah? Them things that you're with them, you're not like none of them. Puss life is sad. Puss never have a good childhood. And she grudge every female will uplift them life. She hate them. She don't like them. And she try to tear you, she friend you. And because she knows I'm a baby father will love me. And she always and she call me. And she hear him talk to me if ever I cook. Him treat me like a princess. She never like that when him work and him come home. If him work sometime, we get some work when him get cash in hand. And if him work 800 pounds, Islandkandy might give me 6 out of that. And she there on the phone and she said, wow, what them money? Me say, yeah, him look after me and the kids them. She bad mind, me that's what she do. Target my baby father. Spread rumors upon the man, so the man are raping kids. Then the whole of them turn round, cast social to hey, Puss, gotta go beat you. Mister, this is just the beginning of your blood clot terror. You're gonna feel it. Cause you're wicked. You make the boy sit down and cuss his mother. And I said to you, so how can you be a mother? You have 3 boy pitney and 3 girl pitney. And you sit down and make a man and disrespect his mother will birth him no matter what. You shouldn't be up with that. But I said, Puss, your days are gone. Number. All the way you gonna do you? I just the start time. Remember, you gonna cut your throat. Remember, when I go there, sir, here, so them find her body in her house, and she go in the tissue stink before them find her, come and kill her and run left her in there. Watch her blood clot, see. May I tell you, Puss, your days are number, you're a wicked sea serpent. Sea serpent. You're a wicked everything where your blood clot touch, turn to blood clot dust. Yeah, you try to destroy no female life. Your friend with, you go like say you're God, you want to control people. Who the fuck you think you is? Big stinking black, ugly, rusty, musty, crusty germs. When I bathe, when I brush teeth, you put your denture green on your head. Eh? You never have blood clot clothes. And you walk on boy, you run to the share with our teeth. Our teeth them just stick out like a blood clot. This rat mouth girl. Don't blood clot call me name. Set me blood clot loose to 2021 Puss. Almost 2 years they put me name for. I mean now blood clot talk to you. Me will never not in this life or my next life. Me hate you no blood clot. Stop calling me pussy clot name. Me no like them will run back to you and please, who is blood clot? You dirt alert, big dirty blood clot, big time, big shutter blood clot boss. Eh? Go bed. And that's if you're going to go wash your thinking underneath. You rank up pussy. You live on the internet that terrorize blood clot people, a real woman, a nice woman. Me nah blood clot cause. Me, what you mean, brass? Two man they palm see our teeth, the camera. Hey, ugly bitch, move your egg. Wait now. Come off from my blood clot name a full time now. Leave me alone, me not see you, me not business in your blood clot, casa casa. I wanna bring love Saunders on the internet. Turn back blood clot blow is a bitch. Me tired of you know stinking blood clot girl. Rotten mouth girl. Rotten old girl. Your relationship is fake, it's not real. Stop talking about my man wants me. Nobody don't get up and say, but man, not even me. When they were rallying for 15 years, me not sure if rallying blood clot want me. Cause them man, you can't just get up today and just change. Without you do them nothing. Yep. So me now get up on there for my man want me. Yo, long off for my blood clot name now, I'm tired of you know. Why me not have nothing to do with this war? Y'all draw me in it. I'm eager for blood clot. Love Saunders off of YouTube. Now you're dirty pussy blood clot, Erica. Cyclops man looking big blood clot, back big foot, big hole. Gun hole blood clot, Erica. Where Erica there? Yes, Erica are your right hand man. Where Erica there? To come fight Love Saunders for you. She in a comment section. Who for name she have? Rallying fuck out man that hole. Yeah? And them she can't come out and war with Love Saunders. Cause she don't want Love Saunders bust it pan her the real way. She's not in Jamaica because of you go. She's there because she listen, Candy, anything is possible because no Candy apple me attack. Because that what she show is a 2.5 year. She's so fucking done. She could show the resident, the indefinite resident. Settlement. She can't show a settlement. It's a settlement indefinitely. That means that my blood clot they have to stay for eternity. As long as I don't commit no criminal offense, which I will never steal. Me no red eye, me no do no criminal activity. Yeah, me not got in a no problem with UK government. Your name nasty up. Your name mix up. Yeah, you have 300 conviction. 3 blood clot 100 conviction. And the only reason why them let you come back in the country in 2018 because them take where you stay illegally. Because at the time, she never done me used to put credit by your phone every blood clot week. Every week, I put 30 or 25 pounds, sometimes 20. And when I put it by your phone here, say you can't put 10 pounds on my phone. To me, say, put a what do you? A what do you? Me I put 3,000 ad, 4,000 credit by your phone, and you tell me, say, if I buy credit for your son too. What the blood clot do you? You understand? Tanya Storm is right and keep her. She no left you. No, me nah, you're my sister, man. You understand? And then you run Ghana blood clot Jamaica. Make we all see. Make we all sit down and see if you can come back to the United Kingdom. Because all of them people paperwork there. Me never get anybody where to get UK border on Google UK Border Force Agency. You see them people there? And them take where you stay and I them send you home. And one of the live blood clot force. All you in a dealing. UK Border Force, you know, is when them are going to deport you, take where you stay, send you home, put you in a detention center, ask Brassy and yourself, anybody will come from the UK, Jenna, Chris Biscuit, who can talk. UK Border Force is different from the normal immigration. UK Border Force will send one people and put people in a detention center and say put a UK Border Force. Yeah, all right, bruh. Them are the people will send you home, put you in a detention center, put you on the flight, charter flight. UK, them used to all keep sure. Them look sure what them used to have when them are. And a two people don't like it, people fight it out and say it's inhumane what they're doing to the immigrants them. That's why them stop video. Go, move your blood clot and go with a little bit of stay. Move with a little bit of stay. You're not on the right blood clot, yeah. So go. You waste, girl. You a waste, girl. You two blood clot pity them a ban ya. Two blood clot own a British book. Don't own a British book, Puss. Where you pity them British book blood clot there? What them British book there? When the son there in a detention center. Look your big stinking old girl. I this say eat for. Them can't send them. Don't come show the book. Them can't send one my blood clot pitney them. Watch your Puss. Come blood clot are the new one. This is look up blood. This don't to Kalia. Where just blood clot ban a beat your blood clot bad Puss. She just ban. And she a beat your blood clot bad. When you can blood clot one of these, or you picnic them, you beat your blood clot bad. Pussy cannot talk to blood clot me. You cannot walk in my shoes. My kids them are well British. See the new one here? British. Move your blood clot, walkless girl. Your big and blood clot careless like dog. You two pity them a barn, you know, no blood clot abiding city. Yes, sir. Then when you look up at them on my phone, you call when them issue you deportation for the blood clot pitney. And I said to you, say, how the fuck? Them fear your son having British book. Here no, are the father supposed to look about it. No, I do the woman. Big careless waste blood clot jam me around there for the last. And me I tell you, Pussy can never be blood clot me. You can never walk in my shoes. None of my pity them cannot get deportation, paperwork, or them deport them out of the United Blood Clot Kingdom. Them stand strong like Noah blood clot ark. Yeah? So you're gonna always bad mind blood clot me and grudge me. Because me attack blood clot mother. Me make sure put. So when Love Saunders I say, people pick me, Love Saunders, you can't put me in that category. You're putting them a Canadian and my kids them are British national. Yeah, I can't take that away. Puss, you need a life, you need a blood clot job. The guy that Jamaica got itch up and you have to come off now. Because she said she want me off. She's serious now. Listen, stop calling me name. Low out my blood clot name. Low out my name, dirty woman. Me no careless like you. Me no careless. Me no sit down and get up every day upon live. When me for start out my blood clot, pity them status. But upon live, I'm a pity them now no stay. Them a offer deportation to my child. Mad in where? Yeah, man, me rub, man, me ignorant. A while ago when me ear chin over them, I get cross, come here, say, Father God, me over the live, yeah, so. And them a type up, see me blood clot over there. And this big stinking old girl come talk about me broke my hand in the I never, ever go to sentence center. Never me sign on with immigration for over 6 blood clot years. 6 years. Me sign on. Till them release me in them system. Me never go one detention center blood clot. Yeah, dirty girl. Dirty waste, careless blood clot, mother. You left your pity them, but oh, me not have no young. Your son gonna be 17. Next year, we still not reach next year yet. Don't, baby girl, don't eat the book them. You understand? And your parental rights was taken away from you. Dirty meow, big blood clot, street cat. The judge run you out of the courthouse and say, he never see this in a history a woman have 6 pitney. And the 6 of them are blood clot criminal. And what could have caused that, Jesus? And what could have caused it? Pussy blood clot curse. You spend much money for said, oh my God, Germany. Oh my God, Germany, and get 3 blood clot years in a Germany prison. And what could a blood clot cost you? Pity them. For prison and deportation, I follow them so. Suck your blood clot, mother puss. Come off of me blood clot near me 8, 9, and 10 you. Me hate your blood clot, you a wicked bumper clot demon. Anywhere you go, flowers stop grow. Grass them with the blood clot up. You come like pies the blood clot ivy flowers. Yeah? You come around people, you destroy people's life. Because you're not used to when you see people and live good. Them somebody you're not used to. You want to cuss me blood clot, Pitney will love me. Stop pretend pan the blood clot like I made up on phone. Mother na class you like dog. Mother na class you angler like shit house. Your son when you set by your ticket to blood clot like. Cause all the rent when help your PM never used to work in the yard dollar. Stop compound blood clot. I you know act like you're great blood clot mother. Eh? When you pick the there, prison, you could even go blood clot business him from 12-year-old him get 8.5. Blood clot years, I could have walked past that. Eh? I could have walked past that. Hey, woman, allow me out. Make 2021, you know, call me blood clot name. Allow me out. Allow me out to blood clot. Me spin me roll. Release me blood clot. Release me. Set me blood clot free. Me don't know you from nowhere. Me don't have nothing for you. Fuck off and leave me alone. Me don't want no friend from you. Me don't like your blood clot. Me will never like you. Bumbo clot. I've enough for you now, man. Release me. Come off of me blood clot name. Every blood clot thing everybody are war with. You look trouble with Annie and her sister. Oh, a red bull join the Annie inbox. Bumbo clot, the people them now them eye. Them not them ear. Them not hear your class to win for your life. I'm in your class to win. No. But you still have a blood clot call my name. Me never have nothing to do with it. Puss, release me. Release me, ugly blood clot termites. The ugly, I love Saunders ugly, a blood clot like. Fuck off and release me alone. Stop calling me blood clot name. Me tired of you. Me say me tired. And the big blood clot black cat. Pussy blood clot, man. Release me! Set me free! Turn me blood clot loose! Pussy blood clot! Stop calling me name! I'm gonna wrap up with my baby then now.
Darren said, Tanya, the gate is open.
Bumbo clot, man! No, Darren, man! Enough is enough, man! Uno system over your time up. And she know who under the fake page. And the girl say me. She shall say me. And me there over here so with Uno. The fuck if they are Sunday over there, so. With the mama butcher. Fight your buckle. Stop divert your buckle back to me. Stand up and fight the blood clot ape. The ape will bring your blood clot down. I want to set me free, Tash. Yeah, baby, set me free. Jesus Christ, man. I want blood clot this. Nobody not supposed to determine so. Get up every day. And me your meal, me your breakfast, me your lunch, and me the toothpaste where brush your teeth, me the soap where bathe you. Fucking hell. You're a sick fuck. You're a sick fuck. Me and somebody can't war and me get up every day and I call the person name. Let things say Puss. Me tell you already, you think you can cuss like how you cuss the rest of them and them run go friend you. Hey, me a war with you till the blood clot end of time. Because we don't know. See my kids, them are my mother where you go blood clot fuck with anybody. Me can take me eat uku. Me say uku can't come nowhere near me. Cause see my baby where uku violate. Uku is where they cuss me alone. Me not even look at you. Me say uku any day me buck you could the next 100 blood clot years. Me a walk up in your blood clot face. Uku me not stop. Me not stop make you know that. You see they know me type of person. Me see my blood clot pitney them. Me no run pitney to work. Me no run blood clot pitney to work. Uku me half a thump off your blood clot face. You uku. Cause you violate me baby, you put up my baby, and you chat all type of blood clot things. Or the baby father fuck out the baby. Me say me never want to go back in that you know, uku. Yeah, aba over yaso. You think say you come on nowhere over yaso? Nowhere over yaso no one you reject. Stay blood clot over Puss side. Make Puss finish use and abuse you. Why you throw the passport them off of the bed? I like you me I come off now. Bye peeps, cause baby I go out with be a thing.
Okay.
You know, move your blood clot. But you will look better than you. Blood clot. Come work your snaddy. Come call up a nice good blood clot name. In jail, bud, my man cocky stiff na blood clot na me all. Me love it. Monkey blood clot that. Blood clot.
Oh, brush when fall asleep.
Nowadays, a mad blood clot on a slum with a Sam the dog, yeah, fuck. And Sam free there, because you frighten Sam the blood clot. Sam have to run away one day. You hear your blood clot ugly. You ugly and the whole of your generation ugly. You make Sam have to run and go, Sam run and go book himself in a one blood clot animal home. You are a bad for murder. Murder, the one that own me, but then left me with too ugly. Me never seen a dog run from their master. He's a dog blood clot keeper like Uncle Dog. When I walk people dog no blood clot. Dog walker. Eh? What you know about me? What you know about me and my blood clot team Puss? You know, so we have your remote. Dirty woman, lock up and pack up and bag up and run away. Move your blood clot, I will not come off of you. When I go and make an example out of you, now come off of your blood clot. We are about, oh, Puss and stress, you know, start all it. You know, some know me a bad girl, can we make you run, go friend the same people them. We are cuss your picnic them like a dog. And then you go friend. As some know. We fully bad over team Puss. We make your friend your enemy.
Puss act like everybody over her page. She never cuss them off. This woman's crazy.
Yeah, kids and family, father, everything.
And then she run come now because we are bring her down. Oh, why you wait on me now? I bring you down now. You think you can go join with those waste of space, those nincompoop, those underprivileged dog, those nobody that me put in our blood clot rubbish truck here. We already threw them in our rubbish truck and we now go back for them. But oh, poor red move your blood clot, those people have died. Yeah, we now look back, and you we have blood clot look pan, cause you roll up, and you we have blood clot look pan. We not deal with them could have cuss them, could have make 100 video. We not answer them because we've been beating these mad people over 2 years now. We now look back. You 40 blood clot days and I think I'm going to go 100 days with you too. Every blood clot time attack, I'm going to raise the time. I'm going to blood clot, man. 100 day and 100 night for your blood clot. You're too ugly. You need whole heap of prayer and whole heap of olive oil and whole heap of blood clot, pen and paper and blood clot, skeleton and cream soda. When you come out to your life.
I'm going to put water, everything. We pass to prepare, yeah.
Kalanga water, but you come talk about. You come blood clot, after your monkey looking self. Monkey blood clot. Yes, you gonna put. But I dirty stuff I come talk out how she have my file because somebody said dirty woman.
Why you do it, John Crow?